All right. This guy is crying, man. All right, guys. So should we start now? 6:59. So 1 minute will not make any difference. All right, let's go. All right, welcome everyone. Today is January 8, 2020, making today a Wednesday. Today we're gonna go ahead and analyze our last Sunday analysis that we did. I think we throw about 13 different pairs, in which I'll be getting a lot of private messages that you guys are extremely killing it. And remember, I do not do signal. All my analysis are educational purpose. And remember one thing, I'm not your financial advisor, neither will be one day, never ever ever. So you know, don't trade any money that you are not comfortable losing it, because risky trading is a very risky business. So make sure you stick to that. Okay. All right, let's get to work and see what do we have for this coming week. So we're gonna start with Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollars. I gave you guys this pair on Sunday. If I don't know if you guys were on Sunday's analysis, but if not, it was there. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 61 Fibonacci line, and then the market was gonna take off. Look at what happened. This is beautiful, guys. Really nice. Look at that. It did exactly what I told you. Nothing less, nothing more. It's that simple. You guys have any question on this one? If you, in any pair that I'm gonna be trading, guys, if you have any question, please drop it on the chat room. I mean on the chat, and I will be more than happy to address the question if you have it. But I mean, that's basically what it is, guys. Let's go to the next one, and maybe I will go ahead and do the last three. That was a different video that I make for you guys, but I mean, I can show you that one if you want. Look at what I told you on GBP versus the New Zealand dollar. This one was done on 4 hours. I really love working with 4 hours. 4 hours is a beast, guys. Look at that. Let me make this bigger. Actually, let me take that off. Anyway, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 50 Fibonacci line. It went a bit up, and then I said the market was gonna drop. I knew the market was bearish, so that's what it happened. But look at here. Let's see how many people are from here to here. How many people? The crosshair is acting up. Anyway, today is the very first video that I'm making for you guys on 2020. So hopefully, remember that was 142 pips, guys. That's insane. That is insane. And look, and then I said from that point on the market was gonna drop. Look at what happened. Perfectly. Now, what is the overcome for this for the rest of the week? As we know, where's the triple arrow? What do you think is the triple arrow doing? Look at that. Triple arrow is trending as a bullish market. That's exactly what it's doing. Now, what is the overall count for the rest of the week? What do you think it's gonna do? What do you think it's gonna do, guys? How far do you think it's gonna go up? Well, I think it's just ending there, in my opinion. Now, in my opinion, the market is gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. That's what I think is gonna happen. It's gonna come back here and retest our 0 to our 23 Fibonacci line. That's what my opinion is for this pair. What do you think it's gonna do? If you have a different opinion, please let me know. Do you predict this? How am I gonna predict this, Amar? I use the triple arrow. Triple arrow is very simple. Triple arrow is the answer of this, guys. And think about it, triple arrow is gonna get better. We're gonna be releasing the new version coming in the next couple weeks. It's gonna be better, stronger, and but you gotta learn it. But triple arrow is simple. Look at that. Triple arrow was pointing up. What is the market doing right now? It's going up. It's that simple. There's no magic here. The prediction don't come from me. I just know how to do it. And I use the Fibonacci. Hopefully that answered your question. Who was that? Omar? If you have more questions, send me a private message and we'll wrestle this in private, okay? Let's go to the next one. Let's go to Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. Look at that. That's in 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Luis has 3 questions. How far do you... Okay, that already answered. Even though it has the 4-hour support, it jumped because it's counting on the Stairmaster. Well, I don't use the Stairmaster. I have rules. My rules is very straightforward. Look at this one. For those that had took my 101 class. By the way, if you want 101, send me a message. But look at on this one, guys. What is the overall this trend? It's bearish. CHF JPY is bearish for 2020. It's performing exactly what I'm telling you. Perfectly. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Tell me if I'm lying. I really want you to get this. Because trading is not hard. On 2019, I started trading live with you guys for the last 6 months. In 6 months, I lost only 4 trades, guys. Only 4. You saw me put in the videos on Sunday, and then I was coming in back on Wednesday, and you guys were my witnesses. There you go. 6 months we lost only 4 trades. Unfortunately, on 2020 we're not gonna go ahead and be counting losses and winnings, so we're just gonna go and make sure you get it, make sure you understand. But what is the overall for this trend? The market is bearish, guys. For Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen, the overall 2020 is gonna be bearish. So far it's doing exactly what I'm telling you. Okay, if you have a different opinion, please let me know. Look at that, performing. So look at here. This was my analysis on Sunday. Said the market was gonna come back and retest our 23 and our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at what happened. It touched exactly what I told you. And then from that point on, I said the market was gonna take off. I didn't know in that time, you know, the market was gonna do a new setup, a new year setup. But look at what happened. It did exactly what I told you. Now we know the market is bearish. 2020 is bearish. Look at who's forming right there. We're forming our 4 hours. So what is the next step the market is gonna do? What do you think it's gonna do? From that point on, it's gonna continue dropping. Most likely, it's gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line to our 61. But we're gonna come back on Sunday and check it out. But that is what I can predict. As you said it, Amar, for the rest of the week. Okay. Jet, let me see what Jet says. Jet had looked bullish from the stock from this chart. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's a brand new trend, Jet. Brand new. Remember, the master trend usually changes from 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, or 2 years. The market can go bullish or bearish. You just gotta know where and how the master trend formed. But this is a brand new trend. Brand new. Pay attention, last time this market was bearish. I guarantee you it was more than 3 months. Okay? The thing is that you guys are, the way how you guys trade in real time is you zoom in too much into the chart and you cannot see if this chart has leg or arms. You gotta see the entire picture. Okay? All right, so well, that's the prediction. We're gonna use that word prediction since Omar like that. Okay, Omar, we're gonna make it popular today. Shout out to you, Omar McD. Well, we're gonna use that since you be saying it. All right, let me take this off. Let's go to the next pair. Any question on this one? But what is the daily saying, Irvin? The daily is saying it's bearish. Go and check it, Rich. Check it. You should have the big arrow on the daily. Check if you have the big arrow on the daily. Go to your chart right now. You want me to do it? Type number 1 in there if you want me to do it. If not, I'm gonna move on to the next pair. All right, there's no number 1, so we're gonna move up to the next pair. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna do it because you asked for it. Let's see if we have the big white arrow pointing down. Big arrow down. There you go. I'm not lying, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me if I'm teaching it right now, it's not true. Look at that. Who was challenging me? Who was that? Rich? Wealthy? That's your answer. What I'm teaching is real stuff, guys. This is what I teach you when I do my one-on-one session. I make sure you know the way how you're gonna be using my brain from now on. That's exactly how I teach you guys. How to make sure that everything match. But I told you this one for 2020, market was gonna drop. I mean, it's doing exactly what I'm telling you. So there's no magic. I'm respecting rules. My rules very powerful. But that's just a little bit of taste of how I do my one-on-one. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one here. Let's go to New Zealand dollar versus RUSD. Remember, guys, the US is going to a lot of tension right now with Iranian. So it might be, some pairs that are gonna be acting up. Look at this, another great setup in here, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. See the market, I said market was gonna drop and then it was gonna take off. Market was bullish. It was bullish at that time. But what do you think is the overall trend on this one again? Let's see if someone can guess. Type on the comment below and let me know what is the overall trend here. What do you think is the market gonna do? All we see so far, what are you seeing? Look at here. Where is my boxes? Let me make a circle here. Who's in charge? Who's in charge? 2020 is gonna be bullish. I mean bearish. Brand new trend, guy. Another brand new trend. Go to daily and check who's in control. You're gonna see the big arrows pointing down. Go there. You see? Bearish. Down, down, down. I know what I'm telling you is true. Cannot lie to you guys. Lying is not cool, man. It's not cool. But there it is. That's how I do it. Look at that. Oh, look at all those bearish. Amazing bearish. But that's how I do things. So now, since everybody agree with me, look at that. Market is performing based exactly what the triple arrow is telling us. See that? Triple arrows here. Now, what I'm expecting to see for this week, I'm expecting to see a pullback retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, somewhere in here. And then next week it's gonna drop. But I'm gonna come back on Sunday and show you again. Because the more I show you, the more you get it. But this is triple arrow. Triple arrow is the best system in 2020. It was a great system in 2019. Now it's gonna be even better. It's gonna be the best. And the charts are clean. Okay? Perfect, perfect. Are you from Ecuador? No, I'm from Nicaragua. Maybe one day, if I find a nothing. If I find friends, I go there, but not. All right, GBP USD, sir. Now I'm gonna go over through the pairs that I already analyzed on Sunday. That's exactly what we do. Jason has a question. Do you predict the pullback because of the green dot? No. I have rules, Jason. I don't predict anything. I have rules. My rules are I respect them very religiously, and I stick to them. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's go to GBP JPY, and let's see what is the what do we have for this one here. Oh, look at this one. This one. Look at that. What did I tell you guys on Sunday? I said the market was going to give us a small 2-3 more candle. Look at that. The market gave us more than what we said it was going to give us. How many extra did the market give us? Anyway, let me do it a different way. Look at here. I said the market was going to give us a few more candles. Look at that. Market gave us more here. And then I said the market was going to take off because the market it was doing a small correction. Look at that. And then the market corrected. Now the question is, Irvin, I see triple arrow going bullish. What is your opinion on that? What do you guys think it's doing? Oops, let me take this off. I want to help you guys. The only way you're going to get help is only if you really be honest to yourself. Even if you don't know, let me know and I will try to help you out. Okay, for some reason this stupid camera is bearish too. look at James. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but you're right, James. That's exactly what it's doing. Jason says, "Do you?" Oh no. Any other question? What do you guys think this pair is doing? I see the triple arrow retesting the 30 and then down. I don't know what you mean. Leslie said, "Do you know exactly which Fibonacci line it will retrace pullback?" There you go, Leslie. You are correct. It will retrace on our 50 Fibonacci line. It's gonna retest our 50 and our 61, to be honest. That's my prediction for this one. But you're right, Leslie. The market is bearish. The overall trend is bearish. So this is just a pullback triple arrow. So you need to learn how to trade triple arrow pullback. Don't stay in a trade for so long if the market is really trending down. Okay? So yes, in my opinion, it's gonna retest. Oops, let me grab this. I grabbed the wrong tool. It's gonna retest our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. For that point, I'm sorry, our 50. Yes, our 38 to our 50. From that point on, it's gonna reverse back because the overall of the trend is bearish. But so far, for the rest of the week, it's gonna do that. But we're gonna come back on Sunday and reanalyze it nice and clean and start the week all over again. Bullish pullback. That's Clarence. You got it. Rich says 4 hour is bullish, but the daily is bearish. That's what I just said, Rich. That's what I just said. It's a pullback. It's a triple arrow pullback. Okay. Elliott said, got triple arrow down on the daily. Yes, Elliott, because the pair is doing a pullback. Look what I just said. The market was gonna drop hopefully next week. Okay. Retest on the 50 Fibonacci. Then bearish. Sorry, typo. Nah, you're fine, family. You did it great. That's the only way you guys gonna learn, guys. Don't think this is, your question is silly. It's not. The more you ask, the better we get. I'm here for you guys. You guys not paying me anything to do this. I'm just doing it by love. I really want everyone to help yourself. Okay? All right. So let's see what Jason wrote. How do you determine the overall direction? That's too much, Jason. If I ask you, you guys gonna be exploding my. If I give you the answer, you guys gonna be exploding my my Telegram. That's what I teach on one-on-one session. I teach you how to trade. If you want one-on-one session, let me know. Invest in yourself on 2020. It's one-time fee, and the skill you learn is a lifetime skills. Okay. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze the USD chart. See if, I don't know if you guys are trading this or not, but if you are, hopefully you give me the answer. Okay. Any other question? Uh-oh, what did I do here? There you go. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, guys. Amazing. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said clearly the market was gonna come back to this area and drop. Look, bam, it dropped exactly what I told you guys. Exact same thing that I told you. Let me see how many pips from that point on. 185 pips, guy. Camera Presley, the 101 session was well worth it. Oh, thank you, Camera. Tell them. Invest in yourself, guys. One-time fee. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's pay attention. What is the market doing here? Look at here. Look at that. Triple arrow. Oh my God. This is another great setup. 2020 is gonna be bullish. USD chart. Come back. Let's come back in March, and we're still gonna be bullish. Remember me. Add it in your calendar today and say USD chart. Irving said it was gonna be bullish. Let's see if it's right. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Never will. Never will. But that's what it's showing. Okay. So that's exactly what the market is doing in here. Look at that. Market. Look at triple arrow come in as a bullish market. Look at what it's doing. Exactly that. Right now it's sitting on the 23, but it may still go up. It may still go up more before the market really drop. May go up mid 23 to our 38. I'm sorry, and then it's gonna do a small pullback, a small triple arrow pullback, and then what do you think it's gonna do next? It's gonna take off back. It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. It's not hard. Don't make it this hard. When there is no setup, guys, just don't look for answers. Just move on. Move on to the next one. And look at how simple this stuff is. I don't use no other indicators. You pay to be teach triple arrow. There it is. Straightforward. And I use MT4. I don't use any other vendors. And I want to teach you triple arrow. That's what you pay for it. And look, please, guys, one reminder: there will be a lot of newbies that are coming to our program. They're gonna be putting a lot of fancy indicator. Please don't get fooled. Stick to the program. The program works only if you allow yourself to get educated. That means when someone put a new indicator, everyone wants to know. Forget it. Stick to the triple arrow. Triple arrow is all you need. Okay. All right. Any question? Ooh, I've been ignoring all the questions. All right. How do you determine the overall? Okay, I already answered that. Elliott has a question. He said, so if the 4 hours has a triple arrow going up and the daily has a triple arrow, in my opinion, when that happens, Elliott, I don't trade it because I have rules. But you know, since I'm doing analysis for you guys for free, I have to give you something. Okay. All right, let's go to Jason. Jason says, what does the green box mean? Which box? I don't know which. Oh, that is a potential where the market is going to go up. It's a potential market is going to go up all the way to 100 Fibonacci line. So how many pips is that going to be? I don't know. You want to know? Let's find out since you asked. Come on. I hate when I paint everything. Let me take all this. don't know. Where's the crosshair? The crosshair is acting up. Look at that. That is a potential 288 pips. Okay? Hopefully that answers your question. Alright. What other question is in here? Kyle said, I must repeat this. This is not from the Sunday. It's every candle is on 4 hours, 8 candles, and 1 day. Okay. Week or more. Sorry, 6 candle. Come on, Kyle. You getting confused. You're confusing everyone, brother. Alright, look at here, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at this. I said the market was gonna come back and retest what? R78 to R0 Fibonacci. Look at what the market touched. Exactly that same location. And then I said the market was gonna drop. Look at that. Bam. It dropped exactly what I told you. You seeing it. You saw me doing it on Sunday. So it's not like I'm making it up. Exact setup I gave you on Sunday. Exact setup is in here. Nothing less, nothing more. Alright. Rasheen has a question and it says, that was my problem when I first joined all the new stuff in the group. Oh, about the a bunch of indicators. Don't do that, man. I mean, Rasheen is the lady that's gonna have the baby, I think. Yeah, don't do that. Stick to the program. You don't need to ask silly stuff. Stick to the program. Okay. Jason says, do you and Pat trade at the same way? You better. You believe that. Watch his live session when he do it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Very, very similar. He just give me a small room, a different way to trade. Because remember, we're different mentors. We want to teach you in a different way. Whatever, find your niche. If you think Mr. Pat is you like his style, stick to that one. If you think Miss Jenny is the way that you wanted it, stick to her. If you think Mr. Elvis, the Ichimoku, can work for you, stick to it. If you find me valuable and you find my lesson straightforward, but remember, what I'm teaching you here, it goes to the world. It goes public. But what I teach you in private is one-on-one. It's way different, more easier, more clear. I have a blueprint that you're gonna get at the end. You're gonna print it out, study it heavy, and bingo. Straightforward. 2020, it could be, look, I already built in 7 days what I'm making 1 month in my full-time job. That's what I got it in 7 days. What is the meaning of the rest of the day? It's just like, it's like getting retirement for the next 23 days. It's that simple, man. But you need to get educated. All right, so let's go to the next one. Family Financial Legacy says, I will stick to the TA. That's what I bought, and it works. And it works absolutely. Can you look at Euro USD? Did I have Euro USD here? I have it at the end, Williams. Stick to it, okay? Your perk is coming to the end. We're almost there. I don't even know how many minutes we are already here. But anyway, if you find it valuable, this guy, please, comment on and share it with other social media. I want to help people to make money. All right. Rich Wealthy says that's not worth the 101. Huh? Well. All right, let's go to the next one. USD Canadian. Look at what oh my goodness, guys. Look at another great setup. Another great setup. Oh my God. Look at this. And this is on the daily, on the US dollar versus the Canadian. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was going to come back and still give us a few more candles before the market takes off. Look at that. Market gave us more than what I told you. How many pips extra? 156 pips, guys. Gosh. This is insane. What do you think is the market doing in here, guys? Brand new trend. Bullish trend. That means we're going to be seeing a bullish market for 2020 on the US Canadian. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's go to H4. You think the triple arrow is on H4? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's there. You want to find out? Only way to do it is by clicking on H4 on the time frame. Let's see if it's there. This is what you're gonna get if you get that 101. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me if what I'm telling you is not true. God damn it. I get excited when this thing comes. Look at that. Bam! Triple arrow. Who is confirming it? Who is confirming it? The daily. The daily is telling you I'm bullish. It's that simple, brothers and sisters. Rich Wealthy said is bullish. Of course it is. Yes, it's that one right now. Of course. Amen. Skyline says again daily 3 candles from the Sunday. Love it. Defin said hello Irvin. Hey, what's up Defin? I never saw this name. I don't know if you knew or not. Guys, is anyone new in this chat room today, in this live session? Type number 1 if you're new, so we can introduce you properly. But Timothy says sell. Come on, brother. What would you say sell? Are you new in this, in the triple arrow? What? If you don't know, please ask help. Okay, we got plenty of us here. We are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of members. One of us can help you, but this is not a sell. I'm sorry, it's not a sell. Okay, still bullish. The overall is brand new bullish. 2020 is gonna be bullish, and it's still bullish. So it's performing basically exactly what I'm telling you guys. Exactly is doing that. Look at that. Okay, so we got Jet is new. All right, welcome. We got a brand new person here. Make sure if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the bell notification below so you will know when we post our Sunday videos. And then you come back on Wednesday and you analyze it with the rest of the family. Okay. Alicia says on the H1 the big arrow is painting down. Alicia, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I don't work with the babies. To me, H1 is the baby time frames. I use higher time frame and I execute mine on the lower time frame. But you doing it backward, so you need help. Okay, that's all I can tell you. We got another newbie here. David Morrison is new. So welcome, Mr. Jet Taduku and Dave Morrison. Welcome both of you, and hopefully we'll see you in our family members. So remember, the link will be dropped in the description of this video if you want to join and get the triple arrow. All right, ask you a lot of questions. Oh, you fine, Defin. All right, let's go to the next one because someone wants to know what's going on with the Euro USD. So we're almost there. We almost there, guys. Let me erase this. Let me take this off. All right. Got another great setup in here. Oops, too big, right? What do you think the market is doing in here, guys? I don't know if I analyzed this one. I don't know what happened. I think I delete the arrow. But anyway, look at what the market was doing. Market is giving us what? Triple arrow. So what do you think that is performing? Triple arrow is working currently exactly what it's supposed to be doing. It's bearish, right? That's what it's doing. Come on, I'm picking the wrong tools. There it is. What do you think it's doing on 4 hours? I don't know, but I can go there. Let's go there and see what is in there. I'm pretty sure the triple arrow might be doing a pullback, but let's go ahead and click. I want you to know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Exactly. Triple arrows, brand new trend. Market is trending exactly what the triple arrow is saying. It's not hard. This is not hard. Bearish. We got how many bearish we got here? Oh, Marcus. We got another new one here. Marcus is new person too. So we got Buduk. I like that name. Buduk Lee. Is anyone here doesn't have any clue what Irvin's saying? They know. If I ask Dubu Lee, what is the overtrend here? Everybody know. Everybody know. I don't know if you knew, but I never saw your name here. First time. Oh, I see it. It's his first time watching. So welcome, Dubu. We got plenty of people watching for the first time. So welcome to our family. Louis says new bearish trend. There you go. Louis got it. Gerald said bearish. There you go. Hopefully that is your answer, Budu Lee. All right. What is triple arrow? What indicator is that? The description of your question, Dubu, will be in the at the end of my video, so you can take a look at it. Okay. All right. The fam said Irvin says something about cat JPY. I'm selling on that. Did I have that pair? I don't have it on my analysis, so I'm not gonna go offline. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Look at the answer. Defim said Budukli, the indicator that is that what make you money. Absolutely, it's true. Oh my God, guys, this is insane. Well, welcome to all the news. So hopefully you stick to us and enjoying our family. All right, so let's go to the next one. Someone really want to find out what's the status on Euro USD. So how many pairs have we done anyway? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did 10 out of 10. I haven't seen anyone that is going against us. So there you go. So let me see who asked the question on this one. I want to know if this person is selling or buying, because that's the only way that I will be able to help that particular person. I don't remember who was that. Dubu, I want the indicator. Dubu, just go to the link, guys. And just follow the rules, okay? It's like trading without rules. If you don't respect the rule, you don't respect what we're saying, you're never gonna make it in any business like that. So respect the rules and follow. Look at that. I don't know who asked the question in here. What was the trend doing? Look at that. Who is in charge here? Triple arrow. And this is on the let me fix this something real quick, guys. Let me fix. There you go. Euro USD. 4 hours. Look at that. Triple arrow is pointing down. Look at what the market is doing. It's doing exactly what the triple arrow is supposed to be behaving. Come on. I always grab the wrong tool. Look at that. Triple arrow here, right? Look at that. It dropped and it's still dropping as bearish. But this is a pullback, triple arrow pullback. So it's time for the market to reverse as a bullish market. Look at that. When the bearish drop, they drop very weak. Look at when the bullish come in. They come stronger and better. So hopefully next week we're going to start seeing a reversal of continuation of the master trend, because this market is bullish. Hopefully that answers your question. Let me see. Jason, do you ever trade stock? Krypton? I don't. All right, guys. So, what other question do you guys have? Did you find any this training valuable? Because today I give you more than what I usually tell you guys. And remember, guys, discipline is what make you very dangerous in this business. Buduli, discipline will make you very dangerous in this business. But you gotta respect the rules, dude. Alright? Please. Discipline is the key. Alright? Clarence Blott. Let's go to his last question. And it says, will the new triple arrow system update still have repainting? Oh my god, the new system is gonna be a bomb. So I cannot say a lot because we all gonna be learning at the same time the new and everything, so you gonna be amazed. So just stick to the wait for it. You're gonna get it for free anyway. All the new members, if you're new watching this and you want to join the triple arrow, this is the right time. The new system of the triple arrow is gonna be released soon, and you guys gonna be getting it for free. And you're gonna get the first 2 licenses for free. Anything above 2 licenses, you're gonna be charged a small fee for the 3rd license. So if you want to get it, this is the right time. Okay. So I want to thank everyone for coming in today, and hopefully I will be able to see you back on Sunday. And let me know if you want me to make another video so I can keep helping the community. Okay. So thank you guys, and looking forward to see you next week. So hasta la vista. Take care, guys. Bye bye.